vlogging every day in May. Hello guys, today it's Friday and it's day 19 of VEDM. This is going to be random. I'm actually filming this at 6 o'clock in the evening, and this is going to be edited at the beginning of VEDM day 19. This day's been a very random, very short vlog, so I might sync this with another day vlog, and then tomorrow I'm going to theatre in Wimbledon, and on Sunday I've got to do my room. I'm tidying my room up. I'll probably do a bit of that on Monday as well. And then next week I'm having my room decorated, redecorated, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, so this vlog's going to be really short and stuff, but I look forward to you guys seeing it. And I'm really interested in the near future to do weekly vlogs and then upload every Friday. So it'll be like Friday to Friday, random, or the other way around, something like that anyway. But yeah, exciting. I'm walking home from work and there's a squirrel chasing a bird. Don't know if you can see it anymore. This one is giving me cuddles. Hello. And kisses, aren't you? Oh. Ow. Hi. Ow, don't dig your paw into me because you're touching my skin. Worked an extra hour today at work because I do part-time on Friday. So I've got she's gone back now. Madam. Bye bye, darling. Bye.
£13 million alone for 3 years worth of round-the-clock Met police presence up to October 2015. Since then, policing has been scaled back. Well, today the allegations were as well. The police family is no longer facing a rape investigation in Sweden. So does this mean we can leave by the end of this tonight in Kent?
I see you. Ding ding dong, ding ding dong, dong dong.